Hey guys, I'm here and we have our beautiful Bellevue roses. These are gonna be the Kahala variety and they are beautiful. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do to process these. We have the biodegradable protective sleeve. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me step back for you guys. I'm gonna slide this off. One. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking all of these greenery petals off. And the reason for that is because I am more interested in hydrating the actual flower itself, the stem, than the greenery. And we don't need this for our design anyway. We have plenty of greenery. So I'm just going to actually drop this down some for you guys. Okay. I'm going to continue removing as much greenery as I can from this bunch. I've already processed a few, so I'm gonna say I love this variety so far. The stem, oh my God, like hardy and amazing. So we have this protective rubber band. We're gonna go ahead and hold on, I'll be right back.